What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. The first order of business in today's video is installing my new decal on the Tacoma. We recently added these to our merchandise, so definitely check out that link in the description below. Brian put one on the GTR already. If you have one coming for the Supra, be here tomorrow. And I think this is really cool. It's a die-cut decal. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the truck, and then we'll get into this box right here. While Brian is working on that, we also have this design for t-shirts, and the logo has a background and no background, right, Brian?
Yep, you have two different options.
Yep.
And these ones are great because you can get any color t-shirt, and the black obviously stands out. The other ones are stencils of it, so the color of the shirt is the background, so pretty cool. And we have them for Supra and GTR as well.
So that is pretty cool. I'm gonna have to get a t-shirt with that logo on it because...
yeah, really cool with the mountains.
Yeah. Sweet. And we do have other designs, other logos, as you can see on the hoodie that I'm wearing right now. So definitely check out that link in the description below. There we have it. Look at that. With the sticker on the truck now looking really good, we are gonna go ahead and open up and unbox this new part that I got for the truck. So we got two boxes. Brian's got that one, and I'm gonna have to set...
I'll let you do
yeah, I'm gonna... well, okay. I was gonna say, I'm gonna have to set the camera down to do this one.
We'll put Mike to work.
So we can both do it.
Well, I brought it into the garage, so...
yeah?
I helped a little bit. Nice. It's like as big as you.
It's not that bad. Well, we decided we're just gonna unbox it on the ground. So even getting it over, I mean, it's probably like 50, 60 pounds.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll have to weigh it so that way we can actually know. But it's really not all that bad. I just need to go get some stuff to cut it open. This one, I think I know what's in here, but it's like, feel that, it's like 20 pounds.
Yeah.
I think I know what's in here, but yeah, we got a fun project. I have no idea. What?
We just take those.
Yeah, it should be able to. I don't know where to start. I want to keep everything kind of intact here, but...
I think it's one item. Just
yeah.
One big piece.
Did I just start unwrapping it?
So it does have the bull bar.
Yeah. Look at that thing. Oh, look at this thing, dude. Talk about some heavy-duty front-end protection for the truck.
Yeah.
So this is from TacomaBeast.com. I'll have their website down in the description below. This is the Highline Series front bumper, and I'll go over why I decided to go with this one and not like a full front bumper later in this video. But I got it with the kind of mini bull bar on top. It's got a cutout for a light bar. I'm not sure if my 30-inch will fit because this is a 20, but we might be able to either figure that out or just get another one. And I have a winch cutout. So I've never had a vehicle with a front winch. And then these here are for what should be in the other box. But this almost seems heavier than it was in the box by itself. This is pretty sweet. Well, it's gonna be kind of hard to mop this up by myself.
Nice curl. Come on, get an arm day.
Oh, that was yesterday.
So that bolts on, that replaces the, I think, crash bar eventually.
The crash bar, yeah.
Oh, that's gonna look
Not
so
very
sick.
good before and after, is it? I'm in the way.
Ah, I get a good idea.
You see these bolt holes here?
Yeah.
Those go where the crash bar used to be.
Okay.
So this is kind of your new crash bar, in a sense.
Yeah.
This is heavy. Good rep for today. All right. So what else is in the kit? Oh yeah. It's a box within a box.
With more, whoa. Does that come with it?
That is pretty heavy duty. So when you order this bumper from Tacoma Beast, you get this tow strap and the D-ring style tow hooks, which I'll go ahead and open up here.
So that comes with this kit?
Yes.
That is
they
awesome.
Come, I guess, free of charge. It's included with the kit. Look at these beefy things right here. So you get two of those. The other one is in this box. And this is a 30,000 pound winch capable or tow strap. So once again, huge shout out to Tacoma Beast. This video is brought to you by them today. We decided to partner up and actually do a giveaway. So one of you guys will be winning this awesome tow strap. This is a pretty capable tow strap. and you'll also get these 2 D-ring hooks here. So all you have to do to enter to win these is subscribe to our YouTube channel, be a subscriber to Tacoma Beast's YouTube channel as well, and then you have to also comment on today's video. Let me know what adventures you plan on doing and using these products for, and then in 1 week from today's video, I will be picking a winner. If you also comment on tomorrow's video, which will be the installation of this product, technically you'll get 2 entries to win these products. So definitely stay tuned for that video as well. The reason that I decided to go with this kind of hybrid style front bumper is I want to retain kind of the factory look on the front of the truck. So basically this bumper is going to be replacing this black plastic here. So you're not really going to see too much of a change. Obviously it's a much noticeable difference, but we're not cutting anything on the sides here. We're not doing any other modifications except for right in the center. With that being said, however, I think I'm going to have to cut a little bit. So I'm probably not going back to stock, which I'm okay with because it just retains that kind of factory look to it. On the plus side, this bumper weighs about 35-40 pounds. We're going to get the scale out in the installation video to really see. And most larger full-size bumpers are probably 110, 120 pounds, maybe more than that. So I'm saving about half the weight. And Tacoma Beast also has an addition to this bumper that you can weld on later. And basically what it does, it kind of follows this line right here, and you can cut this portion of the bumper away and have a nice metal section there. So I'm still going to retain my factory fog light housings, which is pretty cool, and it'll just give it a much cleaner look without hacking the entire front bumper. So with this setup, I will have all the functions of the larger steel bumper. I'm still going to have all the protection up underneath, and then when I eventually get those side pieces, it'll look like one of the full-size bumpers, but a little more sleek. I've never actually messed with them before, so I wanted to make sure, hey, these are powder coated too.
Yeah, those are sweet.
These are pretty cool. I've never had a bumper before, so I've never done this. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Rolling down the road like that.
That's cool.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's pretty cool because I'm not sure if my other tow hook is going to be... I think you have to take this one off. Yeah. That's like my only front. That's probably why they give you those ones. Yeah. You can't really tow from this thing.
Well, you have the hooks in the new bumper. The round. True. Where the hole is.
Yeah, I just have to. Oh, yeah, that's true. Okay. These just make it a lot more easier to do. That's sweet. Because you can take them off and like loop them around. So that's pretty cool. Whoever wins these, you'll have to send me pictures of whatever you put them on, because I'd be interested to see what kind of vehicle and what's your setup. So let's see if we can get a better mock-up with me out of the way. You think that's kind of high enough? Yeah, that might be pretty solid. Because I didn't even get to look at it yet. So we don't even know how it looks.
I think that's 60 pounds, judging by my brain.
We'll find out in tomorrow's video when we have the scale. Kind of as far as I can go on that side. The box is very lopsided. So that's kind of the mock-up of it. I think that's going to be pretty cool. There's probably going to be enough space between here that this LED bar will still show. So it's pretty cool. This isn't too bulky. I didn't want it to stick up too high, so it'll be kind of in the middle here and not block the Toyota up top. But that's kind of the best mock-up we can get for it. I'm excited to install this. You ready to do this tomorrow?
You mean chop up your truck?
Oh,
I'm excited. I mean, I'm totally cool with it.
Let's see what we can do to not cut.
I'm totally cool with chopping your truck. I don't mind.
Because we're gonna go like somewhere around here, maybe.
Yeah.
And like up to here. I don't know. So
irreversible.
So yes, this is this the only mod that's irreversible that I've done?
Technically.
Yeah.
Although at least a plastic bumper, I mean, still a good $1,000 repair if needed, but it'll look awesome.
But the goal would be to do that, trim right here, to add that piece that gets welded on.
Yeah, maybe that's what that is to weld it like right to there or something.
Yeah, and then I will still have, you know, all of this. The other bumpers you cut basically right here, or at this line here, and all the way back. So I'm just going to be going to like down here.
See, this bumper setup, even with those extra pieces, is just such a better, cleaner look versus like, it's such a new, good looking truck. When you do those big full bumpers, I just think
it takes all of this away, which is perfect for clearance.
Just,
but at the same time, I can go down here and keep more of the bumper.
So, so I guess like you said, it's a hybrid style.
Plus you can do this in 2 steps. Like, I don't have the side pieces yet. We'll get this on, you know, rock this look for a little bit, and then at some point order the other pieces, get them welded on, and cut the bumper again. That's gonna wrap it up with the unboxing of the Highline Series front bumper for the Tacoma. This is gonna be a pretty sweet modification for the truck, and I hope you guys are excited for our second giveaway with the tow hooks and the tow hooks, the whatever they're called, and the
straps.
The
D clamp.
The
you are butchering this ending.
Ring clamps, yeah, whatever. This box right here. Hopefully you guys are excited for that. Again, comment on this video. Let me know what you plan on doing with these products and the builds that you have. I always love seeing everyone else's Tacoma and the direction you guys are going with them. So this is going to be a pretty cool video. Stay tuned for that tomorrow. And I think that's about going to wrap up today's video. But once again, a huge shout out to...
That is one loud airplane.
Huge shout out again to Tacoma Beast for working with me and being able to do this giveaway. Definitely check out their website. They have a ton of Tacoma parts. They're definitely the one-stop shop for everything. As you can tell, or if you haven't seen the videos, I have a lot of products from them, from the headlights, the taillights, I have the air compressor, so they definitely have everything trail rated and ready for your rig. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's video as we install this and hack up the Tacoma. So I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.